So today's video we are learning how to use TryHackMe website. Okay, so let's directly jump into a video. Okay, so to use TryHackMe website, open any browser, whatever browser you want. I'm using Chrome, so I just open a Chrome browser. Set this. Okay, after open Chrome browser, just try hack me. So here you can see this first link. Just click here, https://tryhackme.com. Just click this first link and make sure that you have an account in your TryHackMe. If you don't have an account in TryHackMe, so make sure that you create your account in TryHackMe. And if you have an account, so just sign up your account. Okay, so after creating account or signing up your accounts, so you will see something like this. Okay, so we start from profile section because all things are you see in profile. If you know the profile sections very well, so you know how to use TryHackMe websites. Okay, so let's get into the profile section. So this is my profile section. This is your username, and this is following followers. I have one following. So yeah, it's crazy. So here you can see your rank. My rank is top 85%. 85% people. I have two badges, strict zero, completed room. I complete four rooms. Okay. So this is the main thing here. This is the main thing. Okay. Completed room, certificates, skill matrix, badges, create room, a yearly activity. So completed room, you can see that I complete Linux fundamentals, offensive security intro, defensive security intro, and career in cybersecurity. So after it, we will go certificate section. You did not see anything yet because I didn't complete anything yet. I'm I'm finding which course I choose for certificate in cybersecurity from the TryHack. Okay, let's get into the skill matrix. In skill matrix, you can see in which area you're so good at. Like if you are good at security operations, so TryHack me point here that you're good security, red, and all of it. It's so easy. Okay, and let's get jump into the badges. In badge section, you if you complete any room or any kind of courses, so you get a badge. Like I complete 3 days track, I continuously open or work studying TryHackMe, so I got this 3 days trick badge. And after it, I complete a Linux fundamental course from the TryHackMe, so I got Linux badge. Okay, so next room is create rooms. Here in TryHackMe, you can also create the rooms and create CTFs for others. So I didn't create any room or CTF yet. So next one is yearly activity. So yearly activity shows that how much active you are right now. So it's same like a GitHub, it says. So I don't need to explain this one. That's easy. So let's jump into the next section is how to find courses in TryHackMe because I see that there's so many people and students they don't know how to find a course and ki- kind of rooms in TryHackMe. So let's get jump into this topic. So after coming to your dashboard, if you want to go to dashboard, so just click here dashboard. You can see a dashboard over here, and then just go search bar. Click search bar and type any type of codes you want to search. Let's search Linux. Linux. If I enter it, so I can see here you can see so many Linux courses, Linux fundamental, Linux module, Linux shells, and so many others. And you can also make a kind of options for you. There are multiple options. So okay, so let's click Linux fundamental. So here you can see Linux fundamental. They will teach you a Linux, how to use Linux basics from the basic, and these are the parts. I just completed Linux fundamental part one, and right now I'm going for part two and part three. And before I just tell you that part two and part three is a subscription. It's a paid one. Okay, so if you want a badge for part two and part three, so you need to pay the money for that. And the next topic is how to find CTFs in TryHackMe, because TryHackMe CTFs are so famous for especially a beginner. So let's see how to find. So just click a search bar over here and type CTF. If you type so, you see a very simple CTF, boiler CTF, and there are so many other options you can go with. So I'll just click simple CTF. In simple CTF, you have TryHackMe also provide a machine, lab machine. With help of that lab machine, you can just run attacks and run commands over here, and you need to give answers of some questions here. After it, you can access a. After it, you can start your CTF. So this is overall how can you use a TryHackMe basically. So this is the end of this video. If you like this, make sure that you like and subscribe the Backdoor channel. In this Backdoor channel, we will upload so many cybersecurity videos and learning. And in the next video, I'm uploading a networking video, how networking works and everything. Okay, so make sure that you like and subscribe this channel. Okay, bye bye.